Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to create our own passport size photograph from our big image. Many times we don't understand from where to get or how to make our photographs. We are having our so many photographs in our laptop, in our handsets, but we do not have our passport size images. So how to create it in an easy way, I am going to tell you with the help of Adobe Photoshop 7. So first go to the menu and open the Adobe Photoshop 7. In this way you can see this image. This is the Adobe Photoshop 7. You just click on Adobe Photoshop and the application will be opened. Here see, now here is file menu. We have to work file, edit and image. These three menus will work most. So first of all we have to open the image from which we have to make our passport size photo. So see, I am going to open the image. Say open. So this is the image of which I will make my passport size photograph. This is a big image. So see here option you will see in this menu, a crop option is given here. So we should know what is the size of a standard passport size photograph. So the standard size of a passport size photo is 1.5 inches by 2 inches. That means width should be 1.5 inches and the height is 2 inches. So here as soon as you select the crop menu, here width and height columns appear. So here you have to type width 1.5 and here height 2 and resolution you have to keep 300 pixels per inch. And then you have to select the image for your passport size photograph. While selecting the area of the image, see that your both eyes are seen and your both shoulder should be seen, and near about this downside you have to stretch this till your pocket, that your pen should be seen, some part of the pen should be seen. So this much is enough. You can adjust as per your wish how much area you have to select. So I have selected this much area, then I will push or press my enter button. After pressing the enter button, this passport is ready. Just now we have to give it a border. A white border should be suitable for this photograph as per the color scheme here. Now see, in this video we are going to create our own passport size without changing the background. I will not change the background because it takes a little more time. In next video we will see how to change the background. 2 to 3 minutes will be more required for the changing the background. That's why in this video we will keep the same background, and within few seconds now we are going to create our own passport size photographs. Now see here, I will press the F7 button and this window will appear. After this window appears, you just click on duplicate layer, say OK. The duplicate layer of this layer will be created. So you have to select this layer by Ctrl T command, and after selecting this layer you just press Shift and Alt and drag it inside, a little bit inside, and again leave and press enter button. Now we will give the border. For giving border you have to select the whole area of this image, that is by Ctrl A. This dotted line shows that you have selected the whole area. After selection you have to give one more command, Ctrl Shift Alt N. These 4 keys you have to press at once, Ctrl Shift Alt and N. That means you have created one more layer. That new layer will be the border. So the layer is not seen here yet because I have not given it the color of that. Now here we have to give a stroke. After creating a new layer, go to edit menu and select stroke menu. The stroke here you have to keep 30 pixels. Color select white. You may change the color, but here as per my photo the white will go and the white color will suit this color scheme. That's why I am going to keep white color here. You can change the location of your border inside, center or outside, but here I have selected the center option. So say OK. Now see OK. After selecting the OK, you can see here a border has appeared for my passport photograph. Now see here, you can see only one passport photograph, but within few seconds you can multiply it by giving one command. So how to multiply it with many photographs? It is very easy. You have to go to edit menu, define pattern, say OK. We have defined this pattern. Now take new blank file of 4:6 size. We have to rotate this canvas as this is vertical size, vertical file. Convert, change this canvas into horizontal file. Now just after one click you will see your multiple passport photos. Once again I will repeat it. Go to edit menu, go to fill, and then select the pattern which you have defined recently. This is the recently defined pattern. Say OK, and here is your passport size photo ready. You may print it at your home if you are having a color printer. If you do not have color printer, you may get it printed from your lab. You have to save this by Control yes option. Give a suitable name, PASS. While selecting, you have to save it in the JPG format. Keep the large file size, quality should be full large size quality. That will be the print will be clear, more clear. If you keep the quality full 12 maximum quality, you will get the better result when you get it printed. So say it OK here. Now the file is ready. In this way, within few minutes, within few seconds, you can create your own passport size images from a big image. So this is how we have learned in this video how to create our passport size photograph with the help of Adobe Photoshop 7. In the next video, we will learn how to change the background of our passport size images. That is also very easy, but it takes little more time than this. So if you are having a good photograph, you can create your own passport within few seconds.